A parrot is a magnificent and intelligent bird known for its vibrant colors, playful demeanor, and remarkable ability to mimic sounds. With over 390 different species, parrots are found in tropical and subtropical regions across the world, captivating people with their captivating beauty and engaging behavior. One of the most striking features of a parrot is its plumage. These birds exhibit a kaleidoscope of colors, ranging from brilliant blues, vivid yellows, and fiery reds, to vibrant greens. Their feathers are often adorned with intricate patterns and subtle gradations, making each parrot species a unique marvel to behold. Beyond their captivating appearance, parrots are renowned for their exceptional intelligence and social nature. They possess a remarkable ability to mimic various sounds, including human speech, songs, and even complex melodies. This talent, coupled with their playful and curious disposition, has earned them the reputation of being great companions and entertaining pets. Parrots exhibit a strong bond with their human caretakers and thrive on social interaction. They are highly perceptive, capable of learning and comprehending simple commands and tricks. Their inquisitive nature often leads them to explore their surroundings, manipulate objects, and engage in problem-solving activities. In their natural habitats, parrots are often found in dense rainforests and woodlands, where they showcase their impressive aerial acrobatics, flying swiftly through the trees with agility and grace. Their strong beaks are not only used for cracking nuts and seeds, but also for climbing, exploring, and even hanging upside down. As for their diet, parrots are predominantly herbivorous, feasting on a variety of fruits, seeds, nuts, and vegetation. Some species also incorporate flowers, insects, and even small prey into their diet. With their vivid colors, charming personalities, and unique vocal abilities, parrots have captivated humans for centuries. Whether observed in the wild or cherished as beloved companions, these remarkable birds continue to fascinate and enchant both young and old alike.